sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb
Hi,
as long as you.
where are you going?
I'm going to
Where?
Burj Khalifa.
Really?
Yes.
What's in your hand?
Speaker. Good for 4 persons.
At the top. So,
Sama ka?
sama ako. Kasama ba ako dyan?
Yes.
O, tara na, diretso tayo. Sundan natin sila. Baka kasama tayo. So, yung mga yan, pupunta rin yan sila doon. Oo. Ito yung may guide sila.
Kasi sama na lang tayo para sila na lang mag-guide din sa atin.
Hindi, anong oras natin is 1 o'clock. So, it's, ano pa lang, 12:15. So, ayun yung mga pupuntahan natin. Dito pala, yan. So, at the top,
More than I can say.
welcome to
Sweetest
Burj Khalifa.
inspiration, and I.
Ayan, yan yung pupuntahan namin dito.
It's true.
So,
There's no
first time niya at saka ng kanyang anak na pupunta dito.
long as you.
So, yung anak niya nakaupo kasi waiting pa kami. So, ayan po. So, at the top, Burj Khalifa. So, ito ang pasukan mamaya. So, it's not busy because it's early. 1 o'clock yung ano natin. So, after 3 p.m. kasi medyo busy na to. At saka yung prices iba na, mas mahal na. So, ayan
Swerte pa rin
yung...
at mura yung nakuha.
Yan yung paakyat mamaya. So 124-25 floor yung pupuntahan natin mamaya.
I'm excited. Very excited.
How excited?
Excited.
Very, very,
Very, very.
very, very.
Masarap yun. Very, very.
Talaga? Matamis? Berry ba? Yung ba? Berries, no?
Berries,
Ah,
Matamis yun.
matamis ba yun?
Lalo naman fresh.
Oh, talaga? So mag-aantay kami ng aming oras. Tambay muna kami dito sa Dubai Mall. Ikot-ikot muna kami. Si Uncle Sheppy nakaupo. Andon at pagod na raw. Sa kakalakad. Kakarating na namin. Pagod na.
Guys, this is Gina Alonso. Welcome to my channel. I'm here in Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa, yes. We're going on the top. And Burj Khalifa is the biggest building in the world. And we are going to 125 floors. And this is our ticket. See you later. Bye. See you later. Bye. Wala yung kasama namin, nakaupo sila. Mamaya na lang ulit mag-video. See you later. Si Papa Di ang aming, ang aming tawag doon, tourist guide.
yeah.
Tourist guide. Go guys! Samahan niyo kami. Kasama namin si Hot Papa D. Saka si Uncle Sheppy. Nasaan si Uncle Sheppy? Ay, nawala. Saka ang aking son, of course. Yan. Son, can you say kaway-kaway? Ayan si Uncle Sheppy. Pasok na kami. Daming papasok. May ikakasal yata at may nakadamit pang kasal. Nag-video ang aming tourist guide.
Be by your side. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain
Bahala kayo dyan. Video ako dito.
as long as you're
Nandito na kami sa loob. Kasama ko yung dalawang mga hot na mga ano sa nandito na kami sa taas. Padilim ng padilim. Pupunta kami sa 125 floor. Ayan guys.
my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. I'll be your best friend.
Ito yung estimated time, 45 minutes daw sa
Stay
taas.
tayo sa taas, dapat yun. Nasa iyo.
Hindi pwedeng ilipat eh.
I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration, and I love you.
Here we are. We are here. Yes.
There's no
124.
not climb
Ayan guys ang view sa 125 floor in Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa. Diyan sa baba. Naiwan si na Marcos.
and more and more and more each day. I love you more and more.
Sinisilip mo ako.
More than I can say. My sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no
Walang nag-swimming guys. Sayang.
as long as you are mine, and I
Wala. Wala eh. Hanggang doon na lang yun. Ano ko, zoom ko.
I'll be your best friend.
一点点没关系。
I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more.
So, itong kinatatayuan natin is 125th floor, right?
Yes.
So, itong atlat na to,
Nagulat ako sa iyo.
makakapunta tayo hanggang 146th floor. Pero, syempre,
Mas mahal ang
mas
price.
mahal yung price na different
Yeah.
prices. So, dito sa 124 o 125, 179 siya. Pero, meron din siyang time difference sa presyo.
Oh.
So, meaning, after 3 o'clock, nagbabago yung presyo ng 259 dirhams. So,
Yes.
Hello, Grandma. Hello pa.
And more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say. My sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration. And I love
Coffee. Kung gusto niyo bumili ng coffee, merong ice cream.
it's true.
Ayan.
No mountain I
At may
could not
papicture Picture taking pa sila.
As long as you
So this is the fountain tonight. Masasaksihan namin. Pupunta kami, babalik ulit kami para makita yung fountain. Nagaganap din dyan. Ayan.
That is the Jumeirah area. Tapos doon na yung papunta doon sa hotel sa Abani, sa Ibn Battuta Jebel Ali. And Palm Jumeirah is that
Siya, no? Talagang parang hamog siya.
yeah, kasi medyo parang may konting sandstorm siya. Kaya ganyan. Pero medyo clear pa rin siya compare sa mga ibang araw na talagang sandstorm siya. Hindi mo talaga siya makikita masyado.
So, ayos na.
Yes, you are very lucky, Manzano.
Really, very, very hard.
Again, very. Oh no, so hard. Like, oh, agoy. Uncle Sheppy, busy Uncle Sheppy, hindi nagsasalita. Enjoy ka ba? So it's, ano sabi mo, bali, unborn.
addiction, you're my
Kakantahin mo yan.
strongest inspiration. And I love
Hindi kanta na yan, kabisado eh. Yung ano,
it's true. There's no mountain I could not
Grabe naman.
as long as you are
Ay, hindi naman daw. Hindi naman. Ano para siya,
May surprise na kami, ah.
60s ba 70s? 70s daw. Tumawad siya.
Surprise lang to.
Good vibes lang ha.
Vibes lang, ha?
No bashing. No bashing. No Martes. No problem.
problem about
Martes
Martes.
nandyan na yan. Normal na yan.
No buzzers.
No bashing. Just enjoy
Just
it.
enjoying our holidays in Dubai.
Yes, it's
I got no buzzers.
okay.
Yes.
So you
Papa D?
So you enjoy?
Yes.
Very good.
Very, very.
Again?
This is very unforgettable
Okay.
experience
Okay.
here in Dubai.
Papa D.
Kasi, Abdul siya.
Uncle Sheppy.
addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love